Today we are looking at that stage that many people think this is what success is all about. So welcome again to Guidepost to Success with Professor Emmanuel Ekundaya. Today we are continuing with our series on stages of success. Today's focus is the success stage. What is success stage? Success stage is the season where your dreams, your goals are being realized. You understand that success is actually achievement of goals. So success stage is where you are being realized. Efforts begin to produce clear results. Value is recognized and rewarded. Influence increases. Your responsibility also expands. People begin to notice your work. People begin to recognize your work. Opportunities begin to multiply. Your voice begin to carry weight, and people begin to want to associate with your leadership. But let me say this clearly, success does not make life easier. So if your idea has been, oh, when I'm successful, things will be easier. No, not so. It makes life heavier. Success comes with responsibility. Success we are talking about is not just about enjoyment, it's not about pleasure. Now, how do you know that you're in the stage of success? When you may be in stage of success where your work is recognized, your income has improved considerably, so those are the goals you set. You seek, others are seeking your input on leadership. You carry greater responsibility than before. And success is not just about enjoyment, it is about stewardship. So success attracts both opportunity and pressure. Pressure will increase, responsibility will increase. Now, there's a truth that we need to understand very well. Success magnifies who you are already. Success will magnify your character, your personality. If you are disciplined before success, you become more disciplined. If you are careless before success, success will expose it. If you lack character before success, success will amplify your weakness. And that's why the stages before this time, you should have built your character, you should have built your personality. You also understand that success introduces new demands. When you are successful, you need better judgment, you need stronger emotional control, you need decision-making power because now you are occupying greater position of responsibility and that attracts greater accountability. At this stage, small mistake can have a very large consequences. And that's why you see many people, when they become successful, their public is watching them. Any little thing they do, they magnify it because they have become visible. To handle success wisely, you need to stay grounded. Don't forget your journey. Don't forget how you came to be successful. You also need to build teams around you so people can delegate things to wisely. Others can help you to bear responsibility. You need to remain accountable. You need to also connect with your network. Isolation is one of the dangers of success, but loneliness is a choice if you have not carried along the people that help you to get there. If success gets your head and you become a lone ranger, success brings temptation, of course, that one's clear because success will attract a lot of people to you. A lot of people who will not have associated with you naturally because you have something to give them. So these are the pitfalls you need to avoid. Right? Don't let success get your head. Overconfidence, burnout, or moral compromise. Because when people begin to dance around you, don't lose your head, don't lose where you are coming from, don't lose your personal discipline. This stage requires vigilance. Well, let's take a moment to reflect, and I want to ask you some personal questions. How are you handling the success you have right now, or are you preparing to handle success when it comes? Are you going to become grounded, or you are going to become proud? Are you going to become more disciplined, or you are going to be careless? Are you thinking of success is going to give me liver to do whatever I'm going to do? Are you going to be more grateful or more entitled when you are successful? You need to understand that when you achieve success, even in that success, humility remains a hallmark of a successful person. Discipline must continue in your life. You must learn, you must continue to learn, you must deepen learning. As I've told you, stages of success require that you will learn different things at different stages. So success is not a license to relax. It's a call to responsibility. As good as success is not the end of the world. Success is not the end of the thing. Success asks you, what have you achieved? But there's something more than success. There's a higher question, and that question is, who have you helped? That is what we call significant. Who have you taught? What difference have you made? And that leads us to the final stage in this our series, the stage of significance. So let me leave you with this encouragement. Do not be intoxicated with success. Be instructed by it. Handle success wisely. Handle success wisely. Protect your character and use your influence responsibly. Next week, we're going to conclude the series on the stages of success. And we're going to look at stage of significance. Join us next week as we talk about significance. You are welcome.